Warden's AFK, he's dead.
Ready to torch.
Countering that intel.
Oh, that's the Warden. Push at the ash.
Going dark.
Trade. That's their Jaeger.
Flashbang.
Got their mute. Rudy dead. I just aced! That's how you ace, boys! That's how you ace! Oh my gosh! Oh my god, I literally aced! That's going in, dude. I'm glad I'm streaming on Twitch right now. I wanna make sure if it's recording. It's recording! I aced, dude! Oh my gosh. I'm a freaking clutch master. Yep, I aced. My name is I am a noob, and they actually let a noob ace. Wow. What a game. What trash?
I need some help.
Got him. He's so bad at the game. Dude, I literally just grenaded this freaking castle. He's so bad he needs to uninstall. He's so fucking bad.
Someone on stairs, bandit on stairs, on the bottom stairs right now.
I got him.
I was literally just putting a claymore down.
Sorry, dude. I couldn't do. Got the Legion. Oh my god, dude. Didn't do anything. Oh, well. Couldn't clutch it. I was at 2 HP. Literally 1 health. But it's alright, we got defense. My god, I'm literally... I'm literally lagging.
Someone get fucking hatch. Get hatch. God damn it.
I can't, I'm literally lagging. How are you doing, F-Carm? I hope you were having a great day. I hope everything is fine. You're staying safe from the COVID, you know? By the way, would you be interested in getting a new customized graphics or want to add more designs on your stream, like emotes, badges? I'm actually fine, like, with this though, but, like, I actually like my Twitch as it is, but yeah, thanks for the suggestion. Damn it. I can DM you my profile details on Discord if you want. I'm fine, but thank you for the suggestion, dude. Really appreciate it. Got one. Got one.
Really? It only said that in the kill feed.
It's on ping. Got him. That's diffuser, by the way. Oh my god, lag! Oh my god, I'm just trying to have a chill day. Got him. Got him. Big hat trick to start off the game, boys. I'm disabling it. Oh, we got it! Oh my god.
Mission successful.
What is going on? Holy shit. Usually I should get usually I get fucked.
Yes.
Why?
Op 4 located.
Sorry, I was. Psycho told me to. He's in my
Intentional
head.
team kill.
I'm sorry, I didn't want
Oh, that's a yes. I watched that kill cam. I gotta say it's a yes. Why'd you do that?
5 seconds and counting.
I just told you. Psycho's in my head. He made
Op 4
me.
located a bomb. Get ready to engage.
This motherfucker. Why did he do that? Why did he do that? Literal no reason. I didn't even get to place my frost mat down.
Bomb has been located. You must recover the diffuser. You located a bomb.
Darn it, I hate this.
4 last
There's
operators.
an echo behind the deployable shield. Well, I'm not recording too long because you know how Lightworks can't process the long recordings, so. And Filmora, the only reason why I had watermarks on it a long time ago was because, like, it was actually because it was a trial version, and I need to pay for it. It's just too much. So,
You sound like you have braces. Do you have braces?
yeah, braces.
Fucking called it. Called that shit.
Yep, you knew it.
10 seconds.
Yeah, you notice that do sound weird, right?
Yeah, you either sound like you're autistic or retarded or you have braces, so I just went for braces.
Yeah, it was braces.
I'm just a god at guessing.
You are.
Alright, don't go in there. There's bad guys.
Oh my god, dude, he's literally peeking.
See, I at least made it into the building before I died. You, I don't know. It's
No, I wasn't expecting the Legion peek.
always expect the unexpected.
Can you try to come pick me up, Thermite?
Maybe if you aren't moving around all the fucking time, try to have a little more health. Life.
Oh wait, I can't withstand. Oh my god. Oh my god! That's a lot
Nice,
of
really fucked up that dead body.
that's a lot of blood. Oh, you need to pick up the diffuser.
30 seconds remaining.
Nice job.
Mission successful.
GG's. What a game,
Yeah,
boys!
sucks
What a
dick.
game! What a game.
Yeah, you're welcome for the carry.
Hmm? GG's. Holy shit, we did it! Oh my god, 22 minutes, not that bad. Well, I'm gonna cut this stream right now. But just make sure to read the description. You know the other rest. I just didn't do my intro today, so I just wanted to jump right into it, and I just wanted to see how it went off. But yep, I'm gonna put it in. I'll see y'all later. I'm out. Gaming time is done for today.